Today I'm here to test and demonstrate the effectiveness of our brand Top Longer's audio isolator. This episode focuses on isolating audio signals from a computer's output. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at one end of the speaker input cable, the 3.5mm plug. When I touch the metal part of the plug with my fingers, you can hear a strong electrical noise. Let me show you just how annoying this buzz can be. Plays noise. Now, when I insert the plug into the audio output port and the metal parts of the plug make contact, you'll hear that same electrical noise. It's very unpleasant. Have a listen. Plays noise. In my right hand, I have an audio amplifier designed for computers. Once connected, you can hear a slight background hum through the speakers. Of course, some of this noise comes directly from the speaker itself. Many speakers naturally produce this hum. Another source of noise is the electrical signal transmitted from the audio amplifier to the speaker. When these two noises combine, the overall hum becomes even more noticeable. So how do we isolate the electrical noise caused by the audio amplifier? Here's what it sounds like without using the audio isolator during music playback demonstrates. When the music stops, the electrical hum is still very obvious. Disconnecting the connection doesn't help either. You can still hear the hum from the speakers. Now let's connect the Top Longer audio isolator. First, let's take a look at its packaging. It comes in a sleek and practical carrying case. Here's the product itself. Its XLR connectors are made by the renowned brand Unwanted, which is an international standard. The outer casing is made of aluminum alloy, and it comes with two anti-slip silicone bands. In my right hand, I'm holding an adapter, a XLR-to-3.5mm adapter, because we'll be using a 3.5mm audio cable. I'll plug the adapter into the isolator's output port. Then connect a TS tip sleeve 1/4 inches cable to the isolator's input port. Let's check again what happens when we don't use the isolator. When I touch the metal part of the 3.5mm plug, you can hear a strong electrical buzz. This is mainly because the electrical signals induced by my body are being transmitted through the cable to the speaker. Now, when I plug the 3.5mm cable into the XLR-to-3.5mm adapter connected to the isolator's output port, there's still some noise. But when I touch the metal part of the TS cable's other end, something amazing happens. The annoying buzz completely disappears. Even when I touch the metal part of the amplifier's output port, there's no hum. Once I fully connect everything, plugging the amplifier's output into the isolator, there's still no noise. Let's play some music. Plays audio. From the computer's audio output to the amplifier, then from the amplifier to the isolator, and finally to the speaker, the electrical noise is gone, And the best part? The sound quality remains completely unaffected. Let's disconnect and reconnect everything one more time so you can see the process again demonstrates. Our top longer audio isolator may not be the absolute best out there, but it's definitely effective, as you can see in the video. It isolates electrical noise, protects your other audio equipment, and that's super important. With a sturdy aluminum alloy shell, it's built to last, even if you drop it. The brushed metal finish adds a nice touch of style too. What other scenarios can it be used in? Well, there are plenty. As for its internal structure and how it works, I'll explain that in a future video. Thank you for trusting in our product and watching this demonstration.